How to make bebinka: nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon, 5 eggs, ghee, 250 gram brown sugar, 100 gram all purpose flour. This is fresh coconut thick milk and thin milk. This is cowden cake. Separate yolk from the eggs. We require only yolk. I am grinding this brown sugar to dissolve in the milk very fast. You can use white sugar also. Beat yolk very nicely to get a smooth paste. Now add brown sugar to it and mix well. Add this fresh coconut thick milk to it and mix till the sugar dissolve in it. There should be no lumps in it. Add nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Now add all purpose flour little by little to get mixed up properly. There should be no lumps of flour. We require thin batter, so add that thin fresh coconut milk to it. Now separate half the portion in another bowl to get two different shades. I am adding brown color 4 to 5 drops. Mix it well. See the two different shades now. Now heat the cowden cake. Keep it in the another utensil. Apply ghee in the mold all over. Add 1 spoon of 1 shade batter and cook it directly on the gas. The first stage to be direct on the gas. See how the batter is becoming thicker and thicker. Then put a pan with the stand on the gas, and second layer spread 1 teaspoon of ghee all over and 1 spoon again of light batter. Now this mold you have to keep it on the stand with the cowden utensil. We require heat from the top. Once the layer is cooked, batter is going to become very thick. Again spread 1 teaspoon of ghee over it and another shade of batter, and this we have to continue till end. Ghee, then batter, ghee, then batter. Again place it on the pan, cover it with the cowden utensil. If require, add cowden cake over it. This bebinka requires a lot of patience to make. Again apply 1 teaspoon ghee, another batter, another shade. Place it again, cover it. At the last stage, don't remove immediately down. Put off the gas and after half an hour remove it. You can see how easily it comes out from the mold. Cut it. And see the shades. I have tried this in the microwave confectionery mode for 15 to 20 minutes. You have to bake. It also gives the good results.